28 August Bitcoin market update. Welcome to YY Wonderland. Let's look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame first. Okay, weekly time frame, we are very healthy. We are still above the 10 and 20 EMA line. On the daily chart, we closed on green yesterday. We got back above the 10 EMA line. We got a very good bounce on the 20 EMA line for me. All right, so now we are still in the red. Okay, the day is just started, maybe half a day gone. All right, so on the 4 hour, we are back above the 20 EMA line and the 10 EMA line. We got a very good bounce here on the 4 hour 20 EMA line. Right, we got a bounce again on the 55 again. All right, so if you look at since the reversal, all right, since the bottom at July 20 or 21st, right, if you take a look at the 20 EMA line and the 55 EMA line, okay, this was the first crossing. 20 EMA line going up against the 55. Okay, since then what has happened? Look at this. Bitcoin has been taking support on the 20 EMA line. When it lose support, it went down. All right, and look at this. The 20 EMA line got bounced. Okay, went up again. All right, went up, coming down, nearly got crossed over here on the 19th August. Got a big bounce again, and yesterday, or a few days, yeah, I think it's yesterday, we got a bounce here again. All right, so this is healthy for me. All right, so just something to take note. If you see on the 4 hour, the 20 EMA line cross below the 55 in from today onwards, it is going to be some sort of a downward movement. All right, it's not going to be I do see quite a while of a downward movement. All right, so just take note on that. Okay, we got a bounce, very good. All right, very good. So let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour chart. Yesterday when I make my video, I think we were somewhere here. All right, I make my video late morning. So I told you all that also I given you all a target of the downside, where to actually buy in. So I hope you all did buy something here. All right, not financial advice. All right, so I also talk about buying here. If we had buy something here to take profit over here on my last video. So I hope you all took profit over here. Okay, because I do expect the upward movement. We will hit some resistance on my red color line here at 49,462 range. Okay, so if you bought something here, you took profit here, you should be looking at about maybe about 10%. All right, on anything. This is 5% on Bitcoin. All right, so if we look at maybe XRP, if you look at XRP, if you bought something over here, right, just take a rough range. We go up to the over here. That's about 10% for XRP. Very well done. And for Doge, if you had bought something over here, let's roughly just have a look. Also about near to 10%. ADA, how about ADA? ADA, if you take over here, go up. Yeah, the ADA is about 15%. So roughly you should be taking away 10% in profit if you had bought anything over here, altcoins, okay, not Bitcoin, and you take profit when Bitcoin reaches here. You should be at least a 10% profit. All right, maybe 7 to 10. All right, if you bought it maybe earlier or so. Okay, not financial advice, not I'm not a fortune teller. All right, so what is next for Bitcoin? Let's look at the upside target first, because we have went up. So let's look at upside. The upside target for me now is 1.618 at 53,326. Okay, taking here as the bottom, the top here. Okay, we are retracing upwards over here. But again, if you look at this chart, I have this red line here again. All right, so now my actual target will be looking at the 1.414, which is at 52,377 range. Okay, if Bitcoin managed to hold this 618 for now, all right, we should have a 4 hour candle closing in about 20 minutes time. I really hope that we can hold the 618 range. Okay, and then eventually breaking up this 49,561, and then of course once we break this, okay, we should be retracing upwards. Okay, and my take profit target will be at 52,377 range, which is the 1.414 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, I'm not going to take the 1.618. Okay, if it does go up above, shoot above, then well done. All right, but for me, I'm looking at this. Okay, so if you have not sold anything, yeah, you should be setting some stop loss or take profit target below in case Bitcoin actually go down from here onwards. Okay, not financial advice, I'm not the fortune teller also. All right, so if not, then let's look at this. Okay, we are going on the upside. Let's hold support, breakthrough, hold support again, and we will go up. Okay, so once we reach here, for me, I will be selling away a lot of my holdings. Okay, because I do see a correction coming soon. Okay, my target will be here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the upside target. Okay, let's look at the downside target. Downside target, if we cannot hold this 618 range. Okay, if we cannot hold this 618 range, then we should be coming down to about 48,300 range. Again, if we lose this 0.5 range, this level, then we could be seeing us back down to 47,000. Okay, so by then when we come back down to the 47,000 mark, I do not know if we will have this strong enough support again. Okay, right, so when we come down again, we might be going through straight through, okay, to 45. Okay, all right, short term maybe 45. I don't see much support here again, right? But of course I'm looking more towards the upside. Okay, so the downward movement on the short term is like this. Okay, if we lose support, then yeah, we are going down. All right, so let's look at the other chart. Okay, let's look at the daily time frame first. Okay, daily time frame, we are holding the 0.65 now currently. Okay, 0.65. Okay, we got below the 618 for the past 2 days. We got supported and bounced off the 20 EMA line on the daily time frame. Okay, we are holding the 6.65 now. We got 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, then we went down. Okay, then we came up, we lose the 6.5 again. Okay, and now we are up again. So we need to close today above 48,850 range. Okay, for me, and then eventually, of course, we will go up to about 52,000 here. Okay, so in the event we don't hit that target, what is going to happen for me? For me, there should be some sort of correction right coming soon. So if this was really the top, the local top, okay, we'll come up here, we fail, we lose support, we come down, then we should be coming down to the 0.5. Okay, at 43,175 range. Okay, it will not be a 1 day thing, maybe just maybe throughout the week or so. Okay, I'll tell you why in a while's time. Okay, down here we have the 55 EMA creeping up here. So if we lose support over here, I do see them coming down, a big correction. Okay, all right, a big correction will be coming. If you do look at the weekly time frame, we are on the 5th week. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5th week green. Now is the 6th week. Okay, if we close this on a green, okay, if we really go up to 52,000 range here, we will be in a green coming Monday. Okay, so we have a 6th week in a green. So what goes up have to come down. Okay, for me, right? So in the event if we do come down from 52,000 range, let's say 52,300, okay, all the way down to meet the 20 EMA is about a 19% correction, which is very normal in a Bitcoin bull run. Okay, a 19% correction, which we have seen earlier this year. We had I think this one, we had a we had a 30% correction. So 20% correction is relatively small and is healthy. All right, so this is why I'm looking at, we have to go up to about 52, come down to for the 42 or even 43. Okay, if we come down from here, let's say 50,000, all right, let's say 50,000. If we come down to meet the 20 EMA line, it's only about 16%, unless we creep down, okay, to the 382 at about 40,000, okay, 39,100 range, then we will be seeing a 22% correction, okay, which I don't really like to see us going below the 20 EMA line for now, okay, for now. So that's why I'm looking at the big pump upwards and then the big drop, okay. So if we do meet my target at about 52,000 to 377, I will be selling a lot of my holdings, okay. I'll have my stable coins, and I'll have my funds ready for a big dip, okay, a big correction for now, okay. All right, so it's not a financial advice, I'm not a fortune teller, but that is my plan. I'll do me, and you can do you. All right, so let's look at RSI also. RSI on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we are, to me, is healthy. Right, stock RSI, we are quite low. RSI, we are at quite a low level, and I do see some room for pump upwards. Okay, all right, so for the 4 hours EMA, for 4 hours RSI, stock RSI, we are quite high. All right, so but for RSI, we are in a healthy range for me. Okay, right now 1 hour we are heading down. Okay, 1 hour is looking very pretty to me, okay, because we are going sideways, so we should be going sideways for maybe another few hours, and then for me, I'm more upbeat, so I do see a more upwards movement soon after going sideways for a while. All right, more upward movement for what I see. All right, so there's also one more thing that I need to tell you all, is this for this is the largest whale account. This is actually the third largest wallet. Okay, the first and second is of course exchange wallet. This is a non-exchange wallet, the biggest wallet in the crypto space right now. Okay, what have the entity or the person done? Okay, on 26:08 a.m. about 8:30 a.m. Singapore time. Okay, 26. Let's look at it. They bought Bitcoin. They bought 38 Bitcoin. Okay, 26:08 a.m. 26:08 a.m. Where's 26:08 a.m.? 26:08 a.m. around 26:08 a.m. 8:30. Okay, this candle here, they bought over here. All right, so again, they bought 466. Okay, 8:30 a.m. again. Okay, this is Singapore time. So 27:08 a.m. they bought over here again. All right, and yesterday or today, this morning, Singapore time, 8:05, they bought 88 Bitcoin again. Okay, 8:05. Where's 8:05? 8:05. Okay, they bought over here again. So the largest wallet is actually buying Bitcoin in the past 3 days. Bought it here, and bought it here. So what does that mean? The biggest wallet is actually smart money. All right, of course they bought it at a high, they bought it low, they bought it. So what is their thinking? All right, to me, they are expecting a upward movement soon. Okay, so once the upward movement comes in and they reach their selling price, okay, maybe here or here, they will be offloading their Bitcoin that they bought over here. All right, so just take a look. If it just this will be like a 7%. Okay, 7% or even 5% to them. Right, but again, that's a big money. All right, so the biggest wallet actually bought Bitcoin at this range. So yeah, it's very healthy. Everything is looking good. Okay, so yeah, so I think that's about all for today. I think I did a very long video today. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance going down previously, so we are going up again. So do take care on your altcoins. Okay, if you have not taken any profit or whatsoever, then yeah, just keep track. Okay, all right, so it's about 10 minutes to go, then we will have a 4-hour candle close. Okay, so I do want to see them close above my 0.65. Okay, I want a green candle, and then maybe we should be looking at upward movement to test this range again. Okay, then we will be breaking my my red line here. All right, so yeah, everything is looking very good right now. So yeah, take care. Yeah, that's about it. All right, take care. Bye bye.